Imagine making $15 every time someone watches your YouTube video. Sounds insane, right? But it's happening right now in specific niches. Today, I'm going to show you the 8 secret YouTube niches that are paying $15+ CPM. You won't believe how easy it is to tap into them. Let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you 8 YouTube niches that are paying big bucks in CPM, $15+ per 1,000 views. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. I'll break it all down for you step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start tapping into these high-paying niches. A few years ago, I was just like you. I was working a regular job, trading my time for money, getting tired of the grind. But then, one day, I started watching YouTube videos about niche channels, ones I'd never even thought of. At first, I was skeptical. I mean, who would make money talking about something as specific as, let's say, finance tools? But then, I found out that these niche channels were making more money per view than most mainstream channels. And that's when everything clicked. 8 secret YouTube niches paying $15+ CPM right now. Alright, let's get into the 8 secret niches that are currently paying $15 or more per 1,000 views. These niches are highly profitable, and guess what? No experience is needed to get started. Number 1. Finance and investing. Videos about finance and investing are some of the highest paying on YouTube. This is especially true for videos about specialist topics like Bitcoin, real estate investing, or stock market tactics. You're showing your audience how to make smart financial choices, much like you would help your Roblox character level up with the appropriate techniques. The most important thing is to give information that is easy for beginners to understand and that a lot of people will find interesting. This might be anything from describing how stocks work to breaking down the basics of buying Bitcoin. Another good topic is putting money into ETFs, mutual funds, or dividend stocks. You don't have to be a financial expert to get started. All you have to do is tell your story and show folks how to handle their money smartly. A finance channel can easily make between $15 and $30 CPM with tailored advertising. I know YouTubers who make more than $10,000 a month just by providing people advice on how to invest. Number 2. Technology and gadgets. People always want tech information, especially when new products and updates come out all the time. This specialty covers a wide range of things, including mobile phones, smart home devices, and even software tutorials. It's like showing your Roblox character how to level up with the newest tools and features. The best thing about tech channels is that they can keep people interested in their material for months or even years. People are constantly interested in new technologies. You don't even need the newest gadgets to get going. You can make very useful material if you know about new tech trends like AI tools, gaming hardware, or applications. Tech YouTubers can get a lot of viewers who are willing to spend money, thus advertisers pay a lot for ad space. For instance, reviewing a new phone can get you more than $20 CPM, and if your video gets viral, you might make more than $1,000 in a month simply from views. Number 3. Health and fitness. The health and fitness niche is big, and there are a lot of people who want to know how to lose weight, gain muscle, and live a healthy life. There are a lot of sub-niches in this category, like yoga routines, workout suggestions, food advice, and mental health. It's like Roblox fitness games where players try to make their avatars better, but your audience is trying to make their actual life better. You may easily establish a dedicated audience if you can boil down sophisticated health ideas into simple stages. You may start by doing modest workouts at home or sharing meal plans that are good for you. A lot of fitness YouTubers make more than $15 per 1,000 views because there is a lot of demand for health-related material. Advertisers in the wellness industry are prepared to pay a lot of money to reach this audience. You might start making between $500 and $5,000 a month if you upload often and share useful content. Number 4. Online marketing and business. This is a great resource for YouTube creators who wish to help other people get started in internet business and marketing. Online marketing is a lot like Roblox's in-game purchases. It's all about knowing how to get the appropriate things in front of the right people. You can show individuals how to make digital items, set up sales funnels, manage Facebook advertisements, or grow their enterprises. People really want to gain these abilities because they are in high demand. Channels that focus on affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and e-commerce are getting $15 to $30 per thousand views since they are aimed at entrepreneurs, marketers, and enterprises. A lot of YouTubers in this field are making a full-time living after only a few months. Number 5. AI and automation tools. AI tools are changing the way people work, make things, and even talk to each other online. AI tools can help your viewers level up faster by demonstrating their Roblox avatars how to do things on their own. Channels that talk about AI-powered products like ChatGPT, Jasper, and DAL are getting CPMs that are going through the roof. You can make lessons that show people how to use AI for making content, being more productive, and even automating business tasks. Because computer and software companies want to reach people who know a lot about technology, several of these channels are making $15 to $25 CPM. You will get a lot of people to come back if you make tools that help customers save time or money. Number 6. Education and tutorials. People are always searching for ways to learn new skills, and YouTube is the perfect platform for providing that knowledge. Just like Roblox tutorials help players level up, you can create content that helps viewers learn and grow in their careers or hobbies. Whether it's coding, graphic design, or digital marketing, educational channels attract a broad audience of people eager to improve themselves. The great thing about educational content is that it's evergreen. It can continue earning for you long after it's been uploaded. People will always be interested in learning, and this is where you can tap into steady, passive income. If you can create in-depth tutorials or explain complex topics in simple terms, you'll find a dedicated audience willing to watch your videos over and over. Channels in the education space often see CPMs of $15+ due to the high demand for knowledge-based content. Number 7. Home improvement and DIY. Home improvement content is incredibly engaging, and it's a niche that consistently brings in high CPMs. Think of it like helping your Roblox character build a dream house. The process of improving your space is always interesting to viewers. Channels in this niche often cover topics like home renovations, decor ideas, DIY projects, and budgeting tips. There's always an audience searching for home improvement hacks, and many people are willing to pay for tools, materials, and expert advice. Whether you're reviewing power tools, teaching easy DIY projects, or offering tips on budget-friendly home upgrades, this niche has huge potential. Advertisers in the home improvement industry are willing to pay a premium to target homeowners and renters, so you'll likely see CPMs of $15 or more. With the right content, you can easily build a successful channel while teaching people how to make their homes better. Number 8. Luxury and high-end lifestyle. This niche focuses on luxury cars, mansions, watches, expensive travel destinations, and anything else that screams high-end living. Think of it like showing off your Roblox avatar's rare items. People love to see things they can't easily afford or experience. Channels in this niche often attract a wealthy, affluent audience, which means high-paying advertisers want to reach them. Luxury brands, car dealerships, and high-end travel companies are willing to pay top dollar for ad placements, which is why CPMs can easily exceed $20, $25. While you don't need to own luxury items to start, showcasing and reviewing these items is an effective way to attract high-value viewers. If you can position yourself as an expert in luxury goods or experiences, you can easily tap into this lucrative niche. I'm not just talking theory here, these niches are paying, and people are succeeding. For instance, channels focused on AI tools or tech reviews are making anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a month just by sticking to one niche. Imagine this, one tech YouTuber made $53–40 in a single month simply reviewing gadgets. Another person teaching online marketing strategies made $3K plus just in the first 2 months. These niches work, the content is valuable, and advertisers are willing to pay for it because it brings high-quality traffic. The opportunity is there, you just have to take it. There you have it, 8 secret YouTube niches paying $15 plus CPM right now. If you're ready to start making passive income with YouTube, now is the time. Pick one of these niches, create valuable content, and stay consistent. It's not going to be overnight, but with time, you can make a full-time income from YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below which niche you're going to start with. I want to hear your thoughts. Also, check the links in the description for some free resources and tools to help you get started. Next week, I'll show you how to scale your YouTube earnings even further, so stay tuned.